So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my DIY photo wall. I got the idea from another YouTube video and I'll put the link to that in the description. But yeah, here we go. So for the wall, you're going to need some pictures, of course. So you can go on Pinterest or Google Images or wherever you find pictures you like for your wall. Or if you want, you can even use your own pictures, like pictures of yourself and your friends and family. And just get enough to get it like the size you want it. And just save them and make one album so when you go print them, you know where all of them are at. Next, you just print the pictures out. Next, you're going to need some good tape that won't damage your wall. This was pretty good. Then you just have to plan and see where you want your pictures and what'll look best. This is how it turned out. The actual collage itself is kind of small, so I'll probably add some more pictures to it, but besides that, I really like it.